Iri njira ya gucokia guoko ni undu oreri a Kenya bururi-ini ni mathingatitwo kuhundukaga micii yao kungetia aciari thutha wa ureri. Ino ikirikana ni imwe ya njira cia gutega irathimo ukuru-ini wa aciari.
Here today I think we should celebrate the kind of mom that Rahab was. We will be sad. Juguna, I lost my mom 25 years ago, but every so often you will sit down and it will be quite painful. So all the time you ask yourself, especially for men, you ask yourself, what could I have done for my mother? Because if it wasn't for my mother, I would not be the person that I am today.
Afitha uyu wa ngathi ya iguru kambuni-ini ya umemerekia ya Royal Media Services aritie hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ma Rahab Wanjiru Thondu no rio thikitwo mwena wa Mang'uru Ngai mbeu njithi guku magithingatwo kwihugwa uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia na njohi cia ibango.
Our place was not short of pombe. Pombe ilikuwa ya kutosha. He trained me to be the church youth leader, and I worked under him as a church youth leader for many years. So for you young people who are here, these are not empty words.
Twena youth nyingitha ni mwero maundu ndamuthaitha riria youth eguthie baraga kuari ni ithwe turakwirwo tondu ndaetha mutumia na ndae na mwana githe ti nyina urakwirwo.
Haha andu a family ya Rahab makimuririkana arari mutumia mumandu makiria ukuru-ini wake magitariria kwehererwo ni gituge gia bata mucii-ini wao.
Hearing people laughing at night and mistress telling me hapana nyamaza ulale hakuna mali unaenda, and I used to feel so bad because everyone else is having fun and I'm there sleeping. And now looking back, I wish I cherished those moments more
and will forever hold the lovely memories we made together. I will miss you, Shosho. Rest in peace.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma itura-ini ria Mang'u gicigo-ini mbunge kia Rongai kaunti-ini ya Naikuru. Ritwa riakwa ni Robert Wamaina.